How to build the front gate pillar. Every front gate needs something solid to support it, but purchasing pre-made pillars or hiring contractors can result in a bill much larger than you'd like. You can build your own pair of pillars much more cheaply, laying bricks around a steel reinforced concrete core for a column that is sturdy enough to hold any gate you attach to it, yet attractive enough to stand on its own if you prefer to keep your driveway unimpeded. Things you will need: shovel, concrete mix, L-shaped steel rod, bricks, mortar, bricklaying trowel, concrete slab. Dig a hole 42 inches deep, with a width of 12 inches and a length of 20 inches. The long side of the hole should be perpendicular to the eventual orientation of your gate. Fill the hole halfway with concrete, embedding an L-shaped steel rod in it with the horizontal length submerged and the vertical extending up above the ground. Wait 24 hours for the concrete to solidify. Build the pillar around the steel rod, laying bricks in a square formation, layer upon layer with mortar in between. Fill the interior space with concrete, pouring a little more each day and waiting for it to harden until it reaches the top. Cover the upper surface with mortar and lay a concrete slab atop the pillar to serve as a capstone.